Welcome back to the garage. This is part 4 of this mini-series. And this time we're going to talk about the buttons on door handlebar. Let's start on the left. I'm going to go up a bit so you can see. Wonder wheel, what we discussed earlier, and your menu button. Here you have your daytime running lights. You can put it on or off. As you can see. Cruise control. If I want it on, first to the right and press set, so downwards, and resume is towards you, like that. And you can set your cruise control. Doesn't work in Enduro Pro, only in the other modes, so it doesn't work in Enduro. Something to know. Hazard lights. As you can see, suspension and traction control. So when I press the top button, nothing happens. It just gives the information it has. Because the bike is stationary, you don't see that. If I press it longer, then I can turn it off. Press it longer again, and it's off again. When I ride off-road, sometimes I don't want any traction control, and that's when you use that button. The bottom one, suspension. You can see road. I can set it to dynamic or road. I just leave this as is. And if you press this button longer, you can go to the auto mode, but then you have to start your bike. And I'm indoors, so I'm not going to start my bike here. But then you can change the ride menu. Blinkers, not that hard. The BMW has a system that it will automatically turn off when you accelerate for a few seconds. Or it has been for like 1 minute that it's on, then it automatically shuts off. Sometimes it's a good thing, sometimes it's not. So that's a thing. And of course the horn, but I think we all know how that sounds. Well, my microphone just died, so let's do this again. This is for the auxiliary lights, only if you have the BMW auxiliary lights. I have Lone Rider motor lights, so that doesn't work. This is only for the onboard lights that come with the GS. So you can turn them on and off. The big one, that's for starting the bike or enabling the bike, and also for your steering lock. If you put your handlebar like this, keep this for 2 or 3 seconds, it will automatically engage the steering lock, and then it's locked. When you press it again when you're done, it automatically unlocks. Here on the right, let's see, we have heated grips, the mode button. I'm not going to explain that one, because if you don't know what that is, you shouldn't be riding a bike. And the SOS button. The top one, if I press it, I get into the menu with grip heating. Press once to the right and you can select 5 levels of heating. And you can also do your heated seats. I have a different seat on this one, so I cannot use it, but normally you can. And even the pillion has a button next to the saddle where you can enable it on 2 levels, but I don't use it. But heated grips I do use, and if you have the button right here, if you press it a bit longer, you can see, let's see, if you hold it for 2 seconds, it automatically goes to the middle level. So you don't have to fuss around with the menu system and stuff like that. So this is a quick and easy way. If you hold it again for 2 seconds, it disables and you're done. Riding modes. If I press it, you can see I can switch between the riding modes, but that's in another video. And the SOS button. If you fall down with your bike, like I sometimes do when I'm off-roading, you need this one, because you get an error message when you fall, or error, you get a message in the display saying it's gonna call the BMW headquarters or call center or whatever it is, and you always get somebody on the line. You can cancel it by holding the button. When you see in your display, I'm gonna call in like 10 seconds, you need to hold this button for I think 3 or 4 seconds, and then it will automatically disable, so it won't call. But if it's gonna call and you get someone on the line, you have to confirm that you're okay and nothing happened, and then they will end the call. If you don't respond or anything, they will send emergency rescue to your location, because they can see that in this bike. So really handy. So that's all for the handlebar. See you in the next one.